Ever wondered why your PC overheats or looks like a tangled mess? The secret lies in cable management. Good cable management isn't just about aesthetics. It improves airflow, making your PC cooler and more efficient. Imagine the ease of upgrading your PC when everything is neatly organized and accessible. Start with the right tools: zip ties, Velcro straps, cable clips, and a pair of small scissors. Plan your layout before plugging in any cables. Use the designated channels and cutouts in your case. Group similar cables together and route them along the edges of the case for a cleaner look. Power supply cables can be bulky. Route them carefully along the back panel to keep them out of sight. Use cable ties and clips strategically to anchor cables without over-tightening them. Consider using cable sleeves for a uniform look, but be mindful of airflow. Regular maintenance and periodic updates to your cable management can extend the lifespan of your components.